The world changes as technology changes rapidly. As you might have observed, people use the landline phone for communication, even if the service provider is not serving your need adequately. Now, it is becoming increasingly acceptable to have and use cell phones and other mobile devices in social situations. You might be using these old cell phones before, but now you might be using a higher level of cellular phone, if not the smartphone, because of your pride, or you are proud to have a device higher than anyone else. Having a smartphone makes it much more convenient to check your email, social media, or even your bank account while on the go. Maybe you will agree that your school should also have a facility better than the ordinary. If you are still using the old technology and having a speech laboratory, your students, teacher and evaluators might think that you are out of date and behind the times. Your students are now choosing, and you must also go with the trend, or your students will be annoyed of your facility. If you are still using these kinds of speech laboratory, your students will brand you as being out of date and behind the times. You may trade in this kind of speech laboratory with the new and digital speech laboratory so that your students will be proud of you and your evaluators will admire you. Trade in your outmoded speech laboratory with the Phonetic Speech Laboratory, the complete speech laboratory that is equipped with digital console and with preloaded teachers' tools to help you train your students how to become fluent in just 5 months or less. Trade in your outmoded speech laboratory with the Phonetic Speech Laboratory because it has modeling tool that help you how to produce the correct sound based on the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, coupled with verbal practice on sound production and verbal exercises on words and sentences. You will be amazed when you discover your students can record their pronunciation while on self-study, and you can save the file onto your console so that you can evaluate their pronunciation performance later. You can find these only from Bottom Line Speech Laboratory, the company that had been serving for 27 years not only in the Philippines but also schools abroad like the Centers of the Vocational Education and Training Authority, or VETA, in Tanzania, East Africa, among others. You can be sure that you have excellent facility because the ergonomically crafted cubicles and console are done by expert fabricators. Your system has clear signals because it is installed by well-trained installers. Your teachers can use it easily because they will be trained after the installation, both in group and on one-on-one interaction. Even if the Phonetic Speech Laboratory is built to last, you enjoy 3-year warranty on parts and services, in writing. Call now 0920539471 to trade in your outmoded speech laboratory.